What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel for another keyboard video. And today we have another fantastic keyboard sent over to us from Banggood, and so special thanks to those folks for hooking us up with this. What we have here in the studio today is the Kemove DK61 Snowfox mechanical keyboard with Gatoron red linear switches. And just from looking at the box and what everything looks like here, this thing looks like it's packed with all the features that ain't missing a thing at all. But do you know what people are always missing, I feel like? Their Windows 10 license when they build a new computer. But that's okay because today's sponsor, URCD Key, can help you out with that.
URCD Key has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices with Windows 10 OEM and retail as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in the product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, and then type in my promo code RAV20 and see the sweet savings appear. But wait, PayPal isn't working for you? You just need to scroll down to the bottom right, click this link right here, and make sure you use that promo code they give you at checkout, and PayPal should work like a charm. Check the links in the video description to learn more.
Alright, so now that we have it out of the box, you can see that I was pretty spot on when I said that this keyboard looked like it had everything, and I'm actually very impressed just with the packaging, as this is like the nicest looking overall package of a product and accessories that I've seen from these mechanical keyboards that I've been getting lately. And that doesn't stop with the packaging either, as this keyboard looks very nice on your desk as a part of your setup as well. Anyway, let's take a look at some of the features that make this keyboard stand out, starting with the lighting functions. Now, these can all be found in the manual as well for quick reference, but I'll take you through all of them anyway here right now as well. Now this keyboard can be used with your favorite cable, or you can use it by connecting via Bluetooth as well. Something super unique that I personally have not seen on any of the 60% keyboards I've reviewed yet is that this keyboard's double shot ABS keycaps actually have all of the functions printed on them, and it includes about just every function you could want, especially the print screen function. Thank you, it has all of those things printed on it, so changing the caps out might confuse you a little bit, but again, you have the manual to refer to back later. This keyboard is also hot swappable with 3-pin support on the PCB, so a good amount of your favorite switches will be compatible, and this makes taking them out to mod them very quick and easy. And don't worry, we will be modding this keyboard in another video, so stay tuned for that. And now onto the part I know you're all here for, the typing sounds. So here's what it sounds like stock, right out of the box with those Gatoron linear red switches. Alright everyone, so that's going to be it for the Kemove DK61 and a bunch of its features there. So I hope you all enjoyed checking this out, and if you did, be sure to give the video a like for me so I know that you guys are enjoying this type of video content. Also, if you guys are keyboard enthusiasts, I'm sure you can tell that the Gatoron Reds in this keyboard could definitely use some modding, and we will 100% be doing that. So make sure you guys go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on, that way you do not miss that video or any of my other uploads coming in the future. So take care fam, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.